Well, I knew I wanted to be a doctor because it was the first career I thought about, really. My father was an anesthesiologist, and strangely enough, when I was in grade school, he would take me to the operating room with him when there wasn't as many rules as there are now. The first surgery that I ever saw when I was a kid was a hip fracture. He said, "Orthopedic surgeons have the best life. This is what you should be when you grow up." And really, honestly, he steered me to become a physician and ultimately an orthopedic surgeon. My name is AJ Mencias. I'm the president, managing partner of South Bend Orthopedics. I specialize in hand, wrist, elbow surgery, sports medicine of the upper extremity, and just reconstructive surgery of the upper extremity. The most important thing a patient can expect and know about the care they're going to get from me is that they're going to be individualized. I'm not a cookie cutter doctor, and that's what I think is lacking in medicine. You can have the same problem. Every single person with the same problem should have a different treatment plan, the surgery should be different, the way you approach that patient should be different, and there shouldn't be one tool for every problem. And that's one of the things that I'm most passionate about. You should know when you see me that you're going to get treatment tailored for you. Just being a physician in general is rewarding. It really is. When you look back, when I look back on the last 20 years of my life, I really devoted a lot of time to this practice, to becoming a better surgeon, a better physician, and I've learned a lot along the way. But the thing that I love the most is I love taking care of people. I like giving someone their life back. So that's ultimately very rewarding to see those people and know that I did my best for them, and I think they're, have ultimately benefited from that.